Hey guys, your guy JD here. And on this one today, I'm not gonna waste that much of time. And also, what I think gonna be looking at here, guys, is just to give you more updating information that you might use to sharpen your trading skills. Or if you want to sleep on it, then it's still okay. It's up to you how you use my information or how you interpret my information that I'm gonna be providing to you. But if you do take a good look at this and then you see some good in it, and then you take what might help you, and if you see something that might not help you, it's okay, and then you just adjust it with everything that you know to make yourself a better trader, guys. Let's go ahead. So on gold, guys, based on what I saw this couple of weeks, I'm gonna start from a scratch chart. um I like analyzing like this, guys. And if I go ahead and remove my wicks there, I'm only gonna be focusing on the most important zones. It's gonna be one, and then we're gonna have this one here, then followed by this zone which is here. Okay, so just like that. So these are some of the most important zones on gold, in which some of them we're gonna find our confluences. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark everything that is supposed to be marked. Okay, then we can see that we had this zone here, in which if we look at it, we can see it playing its part. Perfect. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring back the wicks, and then I'm just gonna go and mark the all-time high for one of the best reasons. Okay, so I'm gonna go down to the 4 hours time frame. So down here, guys, what we are gonna be looking at now, let's adjust this. What we're gonna be looking at now, guys, it's pretty much simple. It's not gonna be that hard to spot. It's some of the confluences that we had on this market. So if we are to take this trend from up there, coming all the way down, just like that, then I will drop it right there. Okay, then I'll go ahead and switch off the candlestick wicks, and then I'm gonna take another one from the bottom, coming all the way back up. Okay, and then I'm gonna drop it right there. Okay, so you can tell, because this is where we bought from this previous week, where we had our confluence of buy or support. So this week we are just gonna be looking at some of these momentums. Okay, but we can see that the real momentum really started spiking here, making a break, and then continuously moving to the upside, in which if we were to take our Fibonacci retracement and start adjusting it or aligning it from this market down there all the way up here at the top, we could see that we have our 38%, 50%, and 61% right inside this zone, and then our 71% and 79% right again on this support. So which makes this area one of the most important area where the market might react from and start pushing up. But at this point, guys, I'm also gonna be looking at the fact that we have this zone here, which is gonna be playing a crucial role going forward into this week. Okay, and why am I saying that? This is where our resistance turned into a support, which means that we're gonna see a market trying to make a push down to this zone here, and then a continuation to the upside, which means that this week what we're gonna be focusing on is the target of the high or breaking above, which means that as long as the market makes a push to the downside, is where we're gonna be looking for our continuous move on this trade. We're gonna be looking to catch our momentum of buys all the way down here, and then if we can enter buys here with the stop loss below these zones, okay, then we're gonna be targeting the break of the all-time high on gold. So there's nothing much I can say about it at the moment. We're just gonna have to wait for how the market opens. But seeing how it has been compressing down from this zone here, there's a high possibility that we might see gold giving us what I'm expecting. Okay, what I'm expecting us to get from it. Okay, there's a very high possibility of us seeing gold giving us exactly what I've been expecting on it, which means that we are possibly gonna be expecting a bit of a push down first. We might expect a bit of a push down first and then a continuous move, but only if we don't open with a gap above. But if we open with a gap above and then we are trading above this zone here, then just know that gold is just gonna continue buying. We might come and retest the zone here and then continue buying. But if we open below, we are expecting to see a retest right on this zone here, which is the following thing that I'm expecting. If we're opening below, we're going to be expecting to see a retest right on this level here. Then we're going to make our swing all the way down here, which is going to be covering some of the FVGs which are here. But if we are to dip, if we are to just dip a little bit here, it means that we're going to be looking at these market imbalances which are here, and then that's where we're going to be taking our buys from, and then gold will continuously move all the way to the all-time high from there. So from here, guys, I'm just gonna be waiting for how gold opens, and then we're gonna make the most out of that. I'm gonna see you on my next video, guys. I hope that you're gonna enjoy this update, and then leave a like, subscribe, and comment below for what you would like to see next. I'm out.